Struggling with long drying times that ruin your gel polish right when you're about to relax? Tired of wasting money at nail salons just to get fast, flawless results? In this video, I'll show you the best nail dryer for fast drying at home, an affordable device that solves both problems with quick, even curing, and professional quality performance. If you want salon results without the salon cost, this is the game changer you need. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, Limegirl UV Nail Lamp. The Limegirl Professional UV Nail Lamp is designed for anyone who wants quick, smooth, and salon-quality gel curing at home. It features a strong ABS body that feels durable and dependable. Moreover, its compact size, 20.5 by 22.5 by 9.5 cm, makes it easy to carry and store. Inside the lamp, 42 high-quality LED beads ensure fast and even curing. They deliver consistent performance for all types of gel polish. In addition, the cordless and rechargeable function gives users more freedom during manicures. This makes it ideal for both personal and professional use. The wide voltage support from 100V to 240V allows the lamp to work reliably in different regions. At the same time, its 1.4 kilo weight keeps it stable while drying. This Limegirl nail dryer combines portability, strong curing power, and user-friendly features. It stands out as a practical and efficient tool for achieving perfect nail results. Number 2, TIMISSFOX Nail Lamp. The TIMISSFOX Rechargeable 96 nail lamp is built for users who want salon-quality results without leaving home. It features a sturdy ABS body that feels durable yet modern. Furthermore, its cordless, rechargeable design allows flexible use anywhere, making nail care more convenient. Inside the lamp, 42 powerful LED beads ensure fast and even curing. They spread light smoothly across the nails, while the mirror-reflective base enhances the curing effect. As a result, every layer of gel polish dries evenly with a glossy finish. With its strong 96W output, the lamp cuts drying time significantly. Even so, it remains gentle enough for all nail types. This makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced users who value efficiency. Weighing only 1.4 kilos, it is portable and easy to handle. Moreover, the reliable 12.6V 2A charger keeps the device powered for long sessions. Overall, it stands out as a practical and professional-grade nail dryer. Number 3, double-sided UV lamp. This double-sided UV lamp is perfect for anyone who loves DIY resin projects. It delivers fast and even curing from both sides, ensuring resin pieces are smooth and bubble-free. Beginners and experienced crafters alike can use it with confidence. The lamp is foldable and portable, making it easy to store or take anywhere. Its lightweight plastic construction adds convenience without sacrificing durability. The US plug provides reliable power for consistent performance. With a large curing area, it accommodates different resin molds, making it ideal for jewelry, charms, and decorative items. Users can create professional-looking pieces from home without expensive tools. Overall, this UV resin lamp combines speed, portability, and ease of use. It is a reliable tool for anyone looking to elevate their resin crafting experience. Number 4, Cordless Nail Dryer Lamp. This cordless, rechargeable nail lamp is created for users who want flexibility and comfort during their manicure sessions. It operates on a strong 2500 mAh battery, allowing truly wireless use. As a result, it becomes ideal for travel, home setups, and professional mobility. The built-in handle also makes it easy to carry anywhere. Furthermore, the lamp includes 4 timer settings, giving users precise control over curing time. The low heat mode is another advantage. It reduces heat spikes and ensures a gentle curing process, even for sensitive nails. This feature also helps prevent discomfort during long sessions. Its spacious interior design offers room for both hands or feet, providing more convenience. The UV LED dual light technology cures all gel types efficiently and evenly. This cordless nail dryer stands out for portability, versatility, and user-friendly performance, making it a reliable manicure tool for daily use. Number 5. Kellegoos 90 LEDs Nail Dryer. The Kellegoos 90 LEDs nail dryer is built for those who want fast and professional nail curing at home or in the salon. It features a powerful 180 IDOS output, which helps dry all gel nail types quickly. The design is lightweight at just 300 Gs, making it easy to carry and set up anywhere. Furthermore, the lamp includes 90 evenly placed LED beads. These provide balanced light coverage, so every nail cures smoothly without dead spots. Its large interior space allows users to fit both hands or feet comfortably, adding more convenience. In addition, the built-in motion sensing technology makes operation effortless. Users simply place their hand inside and the lamp turns on automatically. No buttons needed. Made from durable ABS material and compatible with 110 to 240V, this nail dryer stands out as a reliable, long-lasting manicure and pedicure tool.